Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to capture beehive star cluster using my smartphone. I'm going to locate the constellation. Here it is. You can see the beehive star cluster is there. It is the most faintest star cluster. I'm going to use the pro mode. I'm going to keep the shutter speed at 8 seconds. Then I'm going to keep the ISO at 250. Then I'm going to adjust the focus. I'm going to keep it nearby infinity. Make sure it comes sharp. I'm going to keep the white balance 58,000K. I'm going to use a 3-second timer, a grid line. So here is the final image that you can see. There it is, the beehive star cluster.